MissCarly, and I am of course really excited per usual, but today is a little extra added excitement as this is going to be the longest in length wig review that I've ever done, and it's a human haired 26 inches. So I'm really excited to see how fabulous all that length is gonna be. So this is actually from this really great brand called, I believe it's Yolova. And the wig actually just off the bat comes in this beautiful silk bag right here, which of course is key for storing human haired wigs. Let's just talk about this long dream. I actually have my wig stand here because we're going to be straightening the girl out. She actually comes in, here she is. She is this beautiful brown with like these honey blonde brown pieces here. She's a body wave, although out of the bag didn't really come so much as a body wave as the photos show, but honestly that is quite alright because I always like to straighten and then give the curls up myself. So but here's a little bit better of a view with all these like highlights and lowlights and whatnot. Like I said, 26 inches, so the girl is long. She's 180% density, so it is a pretty nice thick wig. Since she does have some layers, she definitely has the bulk of the weight up here, and it does, you know, taper down a little bit, just kind of like regular hair in general, but mainly because she does have some mid-length layers and whatnot. So she is a 13 by 4 lace top. I mean, look at that. That's really amazing and super soft lace. She does have some combs on the side, and then she has one in the back. She is, oh, she also has the lace down here as well. She is definitely large head friendly. She does have a medium cap, but the girl stretches really nicely, so good for everybody. As for her hairline, and we'll see better when I put her on, but she does have a pre-plucked hairline. As you can see, it's a lot lighter right there in the front, so it's gonna be a nice little dream. And from what I'm looking at down here, it looks like she's definitely merged out for the sideburn area as well. So let's just first straighten her out before I actually put her on, because she'll just look a little bit of a mess. Okay, so here's how she looks straightened out quickly. I didn't really go crazy aggressive with straightening her out, but here she is all the way around. Definitely has a little bit lighter bottom, as you can see here, but definitely lots of volume right here in the middle, which is really nice. I also have ready to go, because of course I will be giving her some waves. I do have my curling wand from Bedhead. This is like my #1. It's like $15 from Amazon. I have that link below. And then also I got one of these just recently. I don't know why I've been waiting, but this is definitely like a Wig Essential hot tool right here. And then what is really neat right now with this wig company right now is that if you buy this wig, you actually get one of these as like a free gift, as well as the silk bag and like other things. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting my hair back. I've lately not been wearing wig caps, so I just put it in a low pony. And then I take another one right here and I just kind of whip it around like a cinnamon roll, like a little bun, little nub right here. I put my wigs on front to back. So let's take a closer look at the lace here. Okay. So as you can see, the lace is ear to ear, which is really nice. In fact, even more than ear to ear. So it is pretty impressive. I mean, look at this right here. This is a great example of how it kind of is carved out to the ear. And then of course the top, like really nicely plucked, definitely. So not much to do in the plucking realm. So let's cut this lace off. Okay, so here she is, all lace cut off. Look how beautiful this girl is, really pretty. It is the key for like flattening this out using this. Again, you can get this for free with this wig purchase. some beach waves really quickly. Okay, so I just gave her, of course, some very light beach waves. I only spent about 5 minutes doing this, so nothing super aggressive, just giving it a little bit more volume and a different look, as you can see. Definitely for the price of $450 minus my coupon code, so less than $400 for a really long human-haired wig with a really nice density and with the large lace front. This is honestly a really great deal if you're in the market for a human-haired wig. I definitely recommend it. Very natural. Of course, they have all sorts of other types of wigs, colors, and whatnot. Of course, my coupon code works for the whole website, so definitely check it out. And of course, you always know, I want to know if you buy a wig from this company. I want to see it, so reach out to me on Instagram. I love seeing you in all your wigs and having fun with your makeup looks and just living life, because, you know, certainly life is short, and just have fun, because you will not only amplify your life, but the whole world by you being your best self ever. So I want to thank you all for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.